Hello friends, today I will tell you how to make an angle of 50 degree with compass. So let's start. First let's make a baseline of any measurement and we will name it OB. So let's make it. Okay. So I made the baseline. Now we will name it as O. First let's make the points and then we will name it OB. Okay, done. So now we will draw an arc upon it with the compass. We can take any radius. There is no fixed radius that we have to take. So we will take any radius, and by taking O as the center point, I said the radius. By taking O as the center point, we will make an arc cutting the baseline OB. Okay, I am making it. See, as it has cut the baseline, we have to make like that only. Okay, now done. I made the arc which is cutting. Now let's name the point which is intersecting OB. We will name this point as X. Done. Now by taking the compass with the same radius, by taking X as center, we will make an arc on the previous arc. Done. If we will make a straight line from O to crossing this arc, we can make the angle of 60 degree. Now we will make an angle of 120 degree. First we will name this arc as Y. Now by taking Y as center, we will make one more arc and name it Z. Okay, we have named it Z. Now by taking Y and Z both as center point, we will make an angle of 90 degree with the compass with the same radius. So first you will take Y and then Z and make an arc upwards. Now we will make our second arc. Done. Now let's make a straight line. We have made the 90 degree angle. Now with the same radius, by taking X as center, we will make an arc, and by taking the second arc as center, we will make one more arc and name it as C and D. Okay. Now by taking C and D both as center, we will make an arc which will become an angle of 20 degree. It would be an imaginary line. Okay. And this 90 degree angle is also an imaginary line, so we will make it as dot dot. I am using sketch pen. You can use something else also, or the same pencil also. There is no need of using any other color. I am making a video, that is why I am using another color, so that you can get clear to the instructions. Now we will make the arc. Done. Now we have to join it. First I will make a line with pencil by a light hand with light-handed hand. Wait. We have to make it clearly. Yes. Now let's make it dot dot. Okay. So this angle of ours is of 20 degree. I know it's impossible to make 20 degree. Okay, so we will measure to prove that it is 20 degree or not. Baseline. See, it's 20 degree. Okay. Yeah, we can make 20 degree. Now we will make a 50 degree angle First we have to change our radius by measuring the gap between point M and point Y. The radius we have taken. Now this point of the line we will mark line E, we will mark as L. We have named this 20-degree angle line as E. Now by taking L as center, we will make one more arc on the arc X. Okay, done. Now we have to take, wait a minute, yeah. Now by taking OS and we have to join this point, this arc and O to make our angle of 50 degree. Make a straight line. Yep. Now we will mark it as A, and our 50-degree angle is ready, friends. I hope you like this video. Now let's measure this. Oh, hooray! We can make it 50 degree. See. We have reached 50 degree. I hope you like this video, friends. If you want to know how to make more angles, please tell in the comment box. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.